Boys, here, on the ping. Keep on walking. They're dying now.
Too far, Brando. We're too far.
Yeah, we're waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Okay, here. Okay, fine, in 5, 4, catch this guy, kill this guy.
Defensive split.
Wait, they're engaging, they're looking. Climb west. We're gonna re-engage, boys. We're gonna engage. Skype them. Climb west. We're gonna bomb them on the choke point, okay? Okay. I'm gonna be ready in 5. Just throw your defenses. Okay. Pai, ako magpe-first ha?
Yeah.
Okay, find me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Okay, kite back right away. Walk west. We're gonna go here, okay? Walk west. Defense in front. Fuck. Defense in front. Walk west. Keep walking, halt. We're gonna wait for them to attack. Okay? Disguise them. Keep on walking west. Walk west.
Left tanks, in the tank.
Antayin natin mag-look ha. Stroy's dying. Heals in front. Nice one. Okay, ready. Find me now. We're gonna counter. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Walk west. No. Walk west. Walk west. Keep on walking west. Nice defenses. Keep on walking west. We're not dying, boys ha. We're not yet dying.
Wala na sa west.
Fuck.
It's a dead end, brother.
Babalik tayo. We're gonna go back. We're gonna climb north, guys. Just kite. Keep on walking north, okay? Keep on walking north. Okay, I'm gonna count in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch me. Nice one. Okay, keep kite. Okay, climb north. Don't jump up. Disguise them. Defenses on front here. I need defenses on front, okay? Okay, just climb north, okay? Listen to me, okay? We're winning, actually. Okay. We're gonna counter engage, boys. Okay? Ready. Find me now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Let's go. Nice one. Qs and Ws.
Fuck!
Kill the dudes inside us. Kill Gorengan.
Okay. Okay, now we walk north again. Let's walk north again. Walk north. Walk with me. Walk north. I'm ready, We're gonna counter in shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the shallow. Okay, climb north right away. Climb north right away, boys. Let's save our east. We're not yet ready. Defenses on front, please. Fuck, Aizen is dead. Defenses on front, please. Okay, let's climb north. Climb north.
Senpai, wag mo ko hit. Tangina mo.
Okay, keep climbing north.
Arid kasi yung train. Arid kasi akin.
Okay, climb north. Heels on front. Spy. Pwede tayo dito sa club pa.
Yeah.
Okay, ready. Okay, walk in with me. Find me now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I have me. On me. Ano lang?
On the golem,
boys, on the golem.
Drop damage now. The golem now. They're super clump, boys. Kill them.
Okay, climb again. Good damage. Climb again. Climb north. Puta ka ng tagal. Okay, we're gonna walk southeast, guys. Look at the crown. Follow the crown. We're gonna fight them here, guys. Southeast. Okay, escape, boys. Escape. Okay, nice one. We're gonna counter again, Puta na, hindi kayo nauupos para kay
Something new. Lepek is something. This is a new guild.
Okay. Pemberpok. Okay, we're gonna counter engage, boys. Ready. Find me on the shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the shallow. Go. Kill these guys. Nice damage. Let's go. Let's go. Everything. Brawl them.
Spread, my DPS, spread.
Guys, if you're low, find the green. Find the green, find
Okay,
the
change.
green word.
Okay, now we're chasing now, ah. We're chasing now. We're not running anymore. Let's go. Kill them. Loot. Okay, any enemies?
Sa likod meron.
Okay, are they still looking?
Who's the party leader?
They're still fighting here, ah. Tawan is still fighting, ah. 1-1 average. Okay, this is easy, guys. I'm gonna one-tap these bitches, okay? Ready. Catch them. Let's go. Catch them. Mount up on the backline. Okay, mounting up, boys. Yeah, just keep on chasing, boys. This is easy. Alright, kill that dude. Is this hideout? Careful, guys, ah. It might be their territory. No, it's not their territory.
It's not theirs.
Okay. Kill these dudes. Just don't over-engage. Nice one. Okay, guys, we're gonna disengage now.
There's someone here. There's still one here.
Okay, oh yeah, kill them. I'm mounting up. Okay?
I have people on my ping. They're fighting.
Okay. On the ping, boys. On the ping.
Who's the party leader of party 1? Can you invite me?
Hey, wait.
No, just say it's up, bro.
Wait.
You can join
Crunch time, boys.
Alright.
Okay. Team is talking touch. What the fuck? Okay, I can see him. You can see me? Okay. Nice one. 1M, guys. Stop! Let's go! Nice!
Brando, no commendation for your healer. Oh my God.
Oh my god!
Look at my hollow fall. I'm
Fuck that fight, it's too long then.
joining your clubs, bro.
Oh, shit!
Hindi ka nag-goal ng OC, nakalimutan ko.
Nice heals. Oh, nag-call ako. I called OC. Okay guys, go back now. I'll be after 6. Escape. Go back to terrace, boys. We're going home.
Dali ko mag-heal.
Go home. Just keep on running, boys. Reds, there's a lot of reds, guys, ah.
Brando, pati si
Let's go
ano,
home.
pati si Senpai, tapos yung Yuki ba yun? Nasa setang ko eh.
Bye. Sumali ka na kasi ng Tolpagang. Pero ma-pride. Okay guys, we're escaping, okay? Follow my ping. We're gonna